Hi there. In this chapter, I will show you how to replace the flat port with the Fisyeye Dome port. I will show the process step by step. Before moving out the flat tube, we will need to open the housing and check if the housing has a locking pin for the tube or dome port. Use a screwdriver to take off the lock pin, counterclockwise to unscrew. Close the housing, and then we will able to change the flat tube. Press the lens tube release button and twist the tube counterclockwise, until the white dot of the tube and the housing line up, then we can take the tube off. Then we found the white dot on the dome port and the housing and line them up again, and close the dome port. Extruding the dome port to make it fit in the housing. Then we twist the dome port clockwise until we hear a click sound. Open the housing again. And lock the locking pins. Put the accessories back into the housing. Then we finish the process and enjoy your diving. See you soon.